Today we will explore some bizarre types of worlds and planets. I will mostly avoid concepts from popular shows and books and present you stuff which is new, unusual, or not well known. In our universe, gravity defines the world. Celestial bodies are spherical because the force of gravity acts in all directions equally, pulling matter toward the center of their mass. The major difference between objects will be their size and composition. Alternate universes do not need to follow the same rules as ours. Chemistry might be different. Physics might include additional forces. There might be two or more types of matter. Traveling through different realities might be possible. Let's start with dark worlds. Space around those planets glows with a soft white light, while matter is black and never emits any light. Creatures living on such planets struggle with chemistry, as you can only distinguish the type of chemical elements by measuring their mass. Fractal planets are worlds with massive porous surface. Most of their geography was never explored by conscious beings. Worlds like this hold many mysteries and secrets which may remain undiscovered. Crystal worlds grew from a singular point in space and developed all their glory and variety over time. Those worlds constantly evolve and change, giving opportunity for new myths and legends to appear. Grey goo worlds are planets where civilization was unlucky. They have created artificial intelligence in the form of nanobots that went wild against them and turned the entire planet and the solar system into a cloud of tiny robots spreading like cancer. Flat worlds are infinite flat surfaces where the deeper you go, the higher the pressure. All that is known is that the space above is infinite and empty, and the ground below never ends. Creatures living in those worlds suspect that their universe might be virtual. Irregular worlds are weirdly shaped worlds with unusual geography and laws of physics. Those are magic worlds, full of bizarre creatures, kingdoms and societies. Many irregular worlds are multidimensional, with natural portals present. Matryoshka worlds are multi-layered worlds with a single center. Those worlds are infinite, and no one knows what their origin was. The world's center is dangerous, with many hunting those curious enough to visit it. Perfect shape worlds are universes where symmetry and beauty are guaranteed. Colorful geometric objects hang above symmetrical surfaces and round creatures float between them. Tube worlds are long, infinite universes in the shape of a tube surrounded by emptiness. A very bright ring constantly shines warm light, infinitely far away from this world. Creatures in this world live on the tube's walls. Rainbow forest worlds are colorful, magical planets. There are 467 seasons in this world, and all objects alter their properties and colors according to the time of the year. Creatures living here can teleport using the power of their minds. Grid worlds are universes where everything is placed symmetrically. The equally distanced homes of grid world creatures are connected with pipes. Those grid networks allow for communication and transport. Gravity is very weak in some worlds. Weak enough for organisms to push up fragments of planets and create floating gardens, giving beautiful views during sunsets. Animals in such worlds can reach impressive sizes. Afterlife worlds are worlds parallel to physical reality, where immortal souls exist. Some entities have been there since the beginning, created by the world's god. Like angels, those immortals often help newcomers to accommodate in the afterlife. Some worlds have been completely turned into a living organism. A planet's entire matter was consumed by an invasive insect species, and now the whole solar system is one big living entity, a massive hive with smaller creatures crawling and breeding on its shell. King Midas' planet is a world made out of gold. It represents the greed of its only immortal ruler. Eons ago, Midas took power over all living things and turned everything into gold, including their corpses. Since then, he remains a lone creature with his solitary great plans, alone in his golden palace. Transparent worlds are universes where all matter is transparent like glass. Only the light reflected from the surfaces give the sense of the shapes in the world. Invisible creatures wander around and observe the changes in reflections. Clay worlds are universes made out of soft, colorful materials. The creatures inhabiting those universes are often ridiculous and not very wise. Clay worlds hang in eternal voids. Whatever falls down keeps falling forever. Block worlds are universes made out of geometrical blocks. When chunks are mixed together, new blocks can emerge with new functionalities. Trillions upon trillions of block combinations are possible. The never-ending party world is a place where fun and music just goes on and on. It's an infinite dimension of constant night. There is an endless number of nightclubs, pubs, and bars. No one ever needs to sleep here, and no one ever gets tired. An electronic world is a three-dimensional infinite circuit board, a silicon labyrinth with forests made out of transistors, resistors, and microprocessor cities. The ruler of this world is the great electron who controls the flow of electricity. Filled worlds do not have vacuum. All of space is filled with dense matter. Every few light years there is a cavity the size of a solar system with a star in the middle. Living creatures occupy the walls of this immense cavity. Broken glitch worlds are universes where physical laws are damaged locally. Approaching glitched areas might result in complete destruction or severe wounds. Creatures believe that glitches are portals to the heavens. The world of Unborn is a higher realm where consciousness is being formed. Some simple beings arise here instantly and do not need much preparation. Gods, on the other hand, form and grow and gain experience for eons before entering real material worlds. An infinite sculpture museum is an endless place containing all possible three-dimensional objects made out of all existing materials. It is a repository of an artist's mind and the source of all creations and forms. Thank you for watching. Here is a list of our current supporters on Patreon. Become one of them, and you will help this channel to survive and thrive in these difficult times. Next time, we will go back to science fiction subjects and will explore visually different types of aliens and their home worlds. See you then! Don't forget to subscribe, and while you're at it, make sure to press the like button and leave a comment.